There are two ways I'll show you. The first way is you can collect the logs using the network path. So just open run from your SCCM server. Run this command, which is whack machine name whack, and either you can mention $C or admin $, which will help you to log into the C drive of that device. Go to C, Windows, SCCM, and go to the log section. So these are all the logs that you can capture. To capture it, the best way is right click on logs, send to, and compress the folder. Once it is compressed, just copy and paste it to your SCCM server. Okay, so that is the first way. Now the second way is just right click on any device, go to client diagnostic, and there's an option which says collect client logs. Click on OK. Now we are asking the SCCM to take all the logs from the device DC1, and we can get the logs in the SCCM console itself. Now to see the logs, go to Start, Resource Explorer. There is the fourth option which says diagnostic files. Currently there are no files available here because it will take at least 5 to 10 minutes to get the files here, so be patient. And after 5 to 10 minutes we'll check one more time. Again, go to Start, Resource Explorer. So these are the diagnostic files. You can simply right click and either view the logs on the console. You can capture and download the logs on the same server as well. This is how you can capture the logs. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be working on more videos for you guys. Thank you.